I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna wire in a high pressure solenoid for the AC. This car, even though I've put a lot of expensive fans, we've hit 108 degrees here in Texas, and these old cars don't have a high pressure sensor, so when the car gets too hot, it won't shut off the AC. The solenoid that's in the car is just for low pressure to make sure this doesn't turn on and ruin the pump. So what I'm going to do is wire in a high pressure solenoid. So 83 Mustang, well, it really doesn't overheat like it used to, so I will state that. But if you go on like a 2-hour drive, sometimes it can get a little hot. It brings itself back down, which is all good stuff, but I'm not liking it. So what I realized was an R12 low pressure regulator, or a low pressure clutch solenoid, the one that comes with this for R12, this is one for a if once you upgrade to 134, which I'm running, have to run that. So tighten on by hand, 1/2 turn. First thing to do is you got to find the negative ground on your pigtail. So you're only going to break the ground. So if this gets too high a pressure, it'll actually break the ground. So so now that I know which one it is, it's this one here. I'm going to go ahead, and if I do this right, I won't have to add a whole bunch of wires to this. So I'm going to break it right about there. And then I'm going to put in, and I'll tape it when I'm done, I'm going to put in quick connects on this so that I can always just bypass this. If this doesn't work the way I want, it'll just give me the ability to connect it back up and not have to worry about it. Part on this is SHP 25 250 and or 350 250. That just means the pressure needs to be between for the circuit to be closed, has to be between that range. And this is an adapter that goes from 3/16 to 1/4 inch. Put this on the high pressure solenoid or high pressure spout. Yeah, tape those connections up. So I just wired it up, and what I'm doing is waiting for the car to, the air conditioner is working fine, so I'm actually going to wait for the car to heat up. It should, and then hopefully it'll shut itself off. I'm sitting still in a garage with limited airflow, and the goal is that the car would shut the AC off with a high pressure, so we're going to test it out. So you can see the clutch turning on and off. I purposely let the car get very hot. It's 103 today in Texas, and I'm in an enclosed shop, so no airflow at all. So I'm pushing it as hard as I can, and you can see as it gets higher, and it's staying on the M right now, the clutch is hardly coming on anymore because the high pressure is basically disengaging it to keep it safe, which will prevent the car from overheating. So what I did is you just take the high pressure adapter. Again, this system is original. It's all new air conditioning, but when you buy an aftermarket for a Foxbody, it comes with an RJ12 system. Even though it was new, I put RJ 134 in it, or R134 in it. I always put the adapter in case someone, say it was out and somebody used some maintenance on it. This allows them to be able to pull that adapter off and you know, check the high pressure gauge. So I just leave it in the glove box.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.